Welcome to Thek Unlimited, your ultimate destination for all things tech. We're your go-to spot for busting tech myths, separating fact from fiction, and leveling up your tech know-how. We dive deep into the digital world to bring you the truth behind the trends. If you're new here, a massive welcome. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a truth bomb, an insightful analysis, or a game-changing tech tip. Ring that notification bell to stay updated. Today's episode tackles a question that's been on everyone's mind. Is charging your phone overnight really destroying your battery and shortening its lifespan? Is it a recipe for battery disaster? Let's put this claim to the test and find out the real story. This myth about overnight charging has been floating around the tech world since the early days of mobile phones when technology was in its infancy. Back then, batteries weren't as advanced as they are today, they were simpler and less efficient. And charging tech was pretty basic, lacking the sophisticated features we now take for granted. Overcharging in those days could indeed cause issues, potentially leading to overheating and battery damage. But that's ancient history in tech terms. We've come a long way since then. Modern phones are intelligently built with safety mechanisms to protect themselves from harm. Once your battery hits that sweet 100% mark, your phone intelligently stops actively charging, preventing overcharge and potential damage. Instead, it switches to a trickle charge mode, providing just enough power to maintain the battery at full capacity without causing any harm or degradation. Many modern smartphones even have advanced temperature regulation systems to ensure they stay safe and cool. So, if you're charging your modern device overnight, rest assured you're more than okay. It's designed to handle it safely and efficiently. Want to avoid potential battery problems and keep your battery in tip-top shape? Focus on these key factors. Stay far away from cheap, uncertified chargers. They're a significant risk to your device's health. Always keep your phone cool and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, because extreme heat can accelerate battery degradation and shorten its overall lifespan. And try to avoid letting your battery drain completely to 0% on a daily basis, as this can put unnecessary stress on the battery. Keeping your battery charge level between 20 and 80% is generally considered better for long-term battery health. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your battery lasts longer and performs optimally, and so does your peace of mind, knowing you're taking good care of your device. So there you have it. Myth busted. We've officially debunked this long-standing belief. Charging your smartphone overnight won't significantly harm or kill your phone's battery, because modern devices are far smarter and more sophisticated than many people give them credit for. So sleep well, relax, and let your phone do its thing without worry. Thanks for tuning in to Thek Unlimited. We appreciate you spending your time with us. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please hit that like button below, drop a comment sharing your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Tomorrow, I'm tackling another common tech myth that many people believe. Does more RAM in your smartphone always translate to faster and smoother performance? You definitely won't want to miss this insightful episode. Stay tuned.